Imagine this. What if we could merge different genres together and create a brand new niche? A niche with very little competition that grows much faster and, most importantly, brings in serious revenue. That's exactly what some channels have already done. For example, one combined historical storytelling with lo-fi music. Another went into the psychology of sleep, and the result? Both of them exploded in no time, racking up millions of views and earning thousands of dollars. Blending these kinds of ideas creates a type of video that's both relaxing and addictive, something people love listening to before they fall asleep. And here's the twist. These videos are long, really long. We're talking more than 2 hours, but instead of being boring, they pull you in, calm your mind, and even feel hypnotic. Now, you might be thinking it must take days to make content like this, but the truth is, you can create these videos in under an hour. And the best part, you don't have to spend a single dollar. All the tools these channels are using are completely free, and I'm about to show you every single one of them right here. For today's example, I chose a successful channel called Sleepwise. This channel focuses on long-form videos around the psychology of sleep, and honestly, I think it's one of the best in this niche. Competition is low and the growth potential is massive. So, what exactly are we going to do in this video? I'll show you how to find viral topics, then we'll write a full script using AI. Next, we'll generate both the voiceover and the images we need. And finally, we'll put everything together with editing. So go ahead, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe, because here, every single week, I share 3 profitable niches that can help you build your channel and grow faster. Your support keeps me motivated to dig up even better niches for you so you can reach success quicker. All right, let's jump into the tutorial. Part 1, finding viral topics. The very first step to creating this kind of video is coming up with ideas that have the potential to go viral. Because without clicks and views, no video will ever get noticed. But don't worry, I've already made this part super easy for you. I've prepared a Google Doc, and the link is right there in the description. You can use it to generate video ideas in this exact style. And you can even customize it if you like. Here's how it works. Just open the file, go to the title prompt section, select the prompt and copy it. Then head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt in and let it do the magic. GPT will instantly start generating unique ideas for you, and each of them has real viral potential. And if you ever feel like you need more ideas, no problem. Simply type continue. GPT will keep spitting out more ideas, and you can repeat this process as many times as you like. That way, you'll never run out of fresh content ideas. You'll always have something to create. All right, now it's time to actually build the script. And yes, we're going to use ChatGPT for this as well. I know what you're thinking. The scripts GPT usually gives are short, but here's the thing. Our goal is to create long-form videos, sometimes 2 hours or even longer. And that's where a little trick I discovered comes in handy. It allows you to generate scripts as long as you need. Let me show you how it works. I spend hours watching successful channels and literally days analyzing their script writing style. And here's what I found. Scripts in this niche are never full of sudden hype, shocking lines, or forced curiosity. Instead, the rhythm of the text is calm, steady, and consistent, something that helps the viewer relax and even fall asleep. To make things easier for you, after 3 full days of testing, I came up with a script writing formula that captures all the qualities of successful channels while being perfect for long-form content. Here's all you have to do. Go back to the Google Doc, copy the script prompt I've written there, and paste it into GPT. Then choose one of the video ideas GPT already gave you. For example, I picked idea number 10 and pasted it into the section that says Insert Video Topic here. Once you hit enter, GPT immediately starts writing the script. Now here's a really important detail. GPT will eventually stop after writing a portion of the script, but the special prompt I designed is built in a way that fixes this. Every time GPT pauses, you just need to type continue script, and instantly it'll pick up right where it left off, continuing the script smoothly. I tested this myself. When GPT stopped at point number 5, I typed continue script and it went straight to number 6 without skipping a beat. By repeating this process, you can generate scripts that last for hours seamlessly without interruptions. Part 3, voiceover. Now that the script is ready, the next step is voiceover. If you can use your own voice, that's amazing. Just make sure you have a good microphone and that you can speak in a calm and soothing tone. For this type of video, voice quality and tone are really important. But if you don't have that set up, don't worry at all. We can solve this with AI. Personally, I use 11 Labs for this. It has an incredible variety of voices and you just need to log in with your Google account. From the text-to-speech section, you'll find a huge list of voices you can test out. At the start, it gives you 10,003 characters of voice generation, which is perfect for beginners. But what we're looking for is a calm, deep voice, something that sounds like an experienced teacher or even a storytelling grandfather. These voices give a sense of comfort and safety, which is exactly what we need for bedtime-style videos. Let's test one of them.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told me when I was just 6 years old. Son, always speak the truth.
Sounds great. I personally like this one, but you can choose whichever voice you prefer. Now it's time to give our script to 11 Labs. Go back to GPT, copy the script we generated. For now, I'll just take a short section so the video doesn't get too long. Then paste it into 11 Labs and click Generate Speech. And that's it. The voice is ready. It sounds amazing. After that, you can easily download the audio and use it for your project. Part 4. Creating images with AI. Now it's time to move on to one of the most exciting parts, creating images with AI. For this, we'll use 2 completely free tools that make it super easy to create professional-looking images. But before we jump into that, we need prompts that match her video script and capture the unique style of our channel. To do this, simply go back to the Google Doc I prepared for you, copy the ready-made prompt, and bring it into ChatGPT. Then paste your script into the section labeled Insert Script here and hit enter. That's it. ChatGPT will instantly start generating image prompts for each scene of your script. Our channel style is usually cartoonish with a dark, moody theme, and that's exactly what makes it stand out. So we'll keep following the same path. Now that we've got our prompts ready, it's time to bring the images to life. I've got 2 free tools for you. Tool 1, Veer. Just search for Veer on Google and click the first trusted link. Once inside, click on AI Text to Image, paste your prompt, choose your preferred size, and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds and boom, the image is ready. You can repeat this process for each scene of your video. Tool 2, Leonardo, my personal favorite. Here, go to the image section. You can set the size and also choose the model. Personally, I always use the Lucid Origin model because it gives super high quality and very natural looking results. Leonardo also gives you 150 free credits every 24 hours, which is more than enough to generate plenty of images. Just paste your prompt, click generate, and wait a few seconds. The result? Exactly what we wanted. By following this method, you can create unique, high-quality images for every scene in your video, making your content more engaging, more visually appealing, and keeping your audience hooked from start to finish. Part 5. Final editing. Now we've reached the final editing stage. For this, I use the CapCut desktop app. First, open CapCut and click Create Project. Then from the Import section, bring in all the files we've created, both the audio and the images. For this example, I've only selected 2 parts of the script, so the video isn't too long, but you can continue the same process to create much longer videos. Next, drag your recorded voiceover into the timeline. There's no need to remove silent parts. As I mentioned earlier, the audio is super important, and it should have a calm, steady rhythm. Our goal is to help the viewer relax, not distract them with sudden changes or spikes in volume. After that, it's time to add the images. Drag them onto the timeline as well. In the sample channel, they use more static images with longer durations. So don't worry if your images stay on screen for longer. Just make sure the images match the voiceover and the subject matter. To make the video feel even more soothing, let's apply some filters. I recommend searching for pink snow in the filter section and dragging it onto the timeline. This filter creates a gentle, slow, calming effect. You can also tweak it in the basic section to adjust the intensity. I personally reduce it slightly to create an even softer feel. Next, to create a darker, more atmospheric vibe, I use the old TV2 effect. This combination ensures the video keeps playing even after the viewer falls asleep, which boosts watch time, a key secret behind why these videos go viral. Now let's add transitions. For smooth movement between scenes, use the black fade transition. It's simple, fits the channel style, and you can even adjust its speed for an even softer effect. Next up is adding text. Keep in mind, we're not making full subtitles because our goal isn't to keep the viewer awake, it's to help them relax. So just add the topic or the rule number in the corner of the screen. For example, in our sample video, the topic was 100 hidden rules of the subconscious mind to fall asleep to. Here we just add the number and title of each rule. Make the text a bit smaller and place it in the corner. Adjust the opacity to around 50% so it's not too distracting. To enhance it further, you can also add a simple text effect. If you need multiple text layers, just hold Alt, drag the text layer up and a copy will be created. Then you can edit the text for the next scene. Almost done. Now let's add the background music, which might be the most important part of this style. Go to Pixabay and search for sleep ambient music. You'll find tons of free calming tracks. Download any that you like and import them into your project. Place the music under the voiceover layer and lower the volume so it doesn't interfere with the narration. The music should be gentle, not overpowering, and that's it. You can now export your video. My example came out to about 2 minutes just for demonstration. If I had produced the full script, it would have been close to 3 hours, exactly the kind of content we aim for in this style. Thank you so much for following along. If you have any ideas or want a tutorial on something specific, just leave a comment. I read every comment and will create the next tutorial based on your requests.
Rule 1. The mind remembers what you don't notice. Imagine walking through a crowded marketplace in an ancient city. You smell spices, hear voices shouting in different tones, and see hundreds of faces. You may think you only remember a few details, like the cinnamon scent or the merchant's red robe, but deep within, your subconscious is recording much more than you realize. Ancient cultures often spoke of this as a kind of hidden eye that sees everything, even when the conscious mind ignores it. Modern psychology confirms this. Studies in implicit memory show that the brain stores details even when we don't pay attention. People can later recognize patterns or faces they thought they had never seen before simply because their subconscious had quietly recorded them. This is why background music, colors, or symbols can influence decisions long after we've forgotten the original moment. The fact to remember is your subconscious notices everything even when your conscious mind is unaware. Rule 2. Repetition is the language of the subconscious. In ancient temples, monks repeated chants thousands of times. They believed repetition purified the soul and planted wisdom in the heart. Across cultures, from the recitation of mantras in India to the rosaries of medieval Europe, repetition was seen as the bridge to deeper understanding. Today, neuroscience explains this with the concept of neural pathways. Every repeated thought strengthens the brain's wiring, making it easier to access and harder to forget. Advertisers know this well. Repeat a slogan often enough, and the subconscious will accept it as truth. This is why repeated affirmations or habits eventually shape behavior without conscious effort. The fact to remember is your subconscious learns through repetition, not through single events.